Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Here it's my good fortune that here we have our senior most journalist of our beloved Pakistan, Mr. Farooq Muin, and he would advise us on this project of Naya Pakistan. And we love Imran Khan, and we are going to produce this movie for the country, for his fans, and he's an era to us. And I ask Mr. Farooq Muin to express his views on this project, Naya Pakistan, sir. My good fortune, thank you, and you're here. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim.
Thank you, Mr. Ejaz and Mr. Shehzad. You spoke to me about this project or something you want to do for Pakistan, and you also told me it is about 1 hour and 45 minutes movie to be shown after completion, maybe after 3 months or 4 months, in cinemas of Pakistan with the title New Pakistan. In Urdu we call it Naya Pakistan.
Correct.
Naya Pakistan is the election slogan of the Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, Pakistan Justice Party, headed by cricketer turned politician Mr. Imran Khan, who, I don't know if you like it or not, cricket is our national game. So he was the captain of the Pakistan cricket team which won the World Cup in Australia in April 1992. Insofar as this movie or film is concerned, I told Mr. Ejaz and Mr. Shehzad that
Advised. Yeah.
if you know the mentality or the mindset of the people of Pakistan, this might not prove to be a successful venture, and projection of Mr. Imran Khan in New Pakistan 1 hour and 45 minutes. I suggested to them that this government headed by Prime Minister Imran Khan has also a new agenda. The new agenda is projection of Pakistan or a positive image of Pakistan insofar as tourism is concerned. As you know, or you might be well aware of this, Pakistan is very ideally located between Central Asia, South Asia, and Southeast Asia. Very strategically located. On one side of we have border with Afghanistan, Iran, India. A very, very small strip is with China, but as you know, about a little over 700 kilometers of Pakistan is sea coast, from Karachi to Panjgur, which is very close to the Iranian border. And it is a virgin area of sea coast which is called blue water, ideally located for tourism around the sea, which is called North Arabian Sea. Then I said that Pakistan is blessed with 4 seasons: summer, winter, autumn, spring. And it has mountains and also desert. Cholistan in Punjab province near Bhaulpur is a very, very important desert of Pakistan, again for the, I would say, tourism. And mountains are in the province of Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and in the northern areas of Pakistan. Pakistan has at least 3 highest peaks in the world. The most important one is KT, which attracts hundreds and thousands of mountaineers every year. Even in the period between December, January, which is very, very cold with snow. So in conclusion, I would say that in whatever script has been submitted to the government of Pakistan, I would advise or suggest that please make it a projection of Pakistan's scenic beauty, tourism, which is in the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa Swat area. It is one of the best paradise on earth.
Correct.
There is also near Islamabad Bari, Natia Gali, but that is overcrowded. This area in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is the most virgin land which has attracted, and there is no problem about accommodation or twin otter aircraft to go there. You have the medium-sized motorways there also. That would be not only popular in Pakistan, that would be popular outside Pakistan, around the world, to sell Pakistan as a very important tourist destination at not very cost. It will not be very costly.
And this advice is for our beloved producer Basit Godel. Basit Godel. Basit भाई हमारे प्रोड्यूसर हैं.
Vasi.
Basit.
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 So, in conclusion, Mr. Basit, I'm very happy about your project, about this movie, and would request you that if possible, please submit a revised script to the government of Pakistan, in which emphasis should be at least 50% on selling Pakistan as a center of attraction in Asia tourism, which is snowfall, skiing, mountains, mountaineering, deserts, seaside.
Seaside.
And you will also be very happy to appreciate that the quality of food around Pakistan, whether for breakfast, lunch, high tea or dinner, is very, very good. Not very spicy, and people are hospitable by land route, by rail and by air.
Thank you so much. Mike, you want to say something?
So, in the end, I would like to. Sir, I'm eternally grateful to you for your presence and for your fruitful advice and the suggestions and the inclination of the Prime Minister about the scenic and the pristine valleys of the country. We can certainly show that in Naya Pakistan. God bless Pakistan and Mr. Basit Godel, our producer.
Thank you,
Thank
folks.
you for
Thank
your
you.
suggestions.
सर बहुत शुक्रिया.
गोकर्ण तो नहीं है.